Question number 1. It says, which of the following Hindu marriage is associated with giving the girl to a man without dowry? We know Vedic age had 8 different marriages, out of which only Prajapatya marriage or Prajapatya Vivah was the one where the marriage was done without dowry. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 2 says, which of the following is the longest epic of the world? We all know it's Mahabharata. As we know, Ramayana has 6 Kand, out of which Sundar Kand is one of them, and Bhagavad Gita is a part of Mahabharata and has 18 chapters in it. So the longest epic of the world is Mahabharata, option number B. In which year the third battle of Panipat was held between Maratha Empire and the king of Afghan? So the then king of Afghan was Ahmad Shah Abdali, and he won the third battle of Panipat in the year 1761. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 4. King Idris was the last monarch of. So who is King Idris? King Idris was the political and religious leader of Libya and United Kingdom of Libyans. So the obvious answer to this question is he was the last monarch of Libya. Now let's move to the next question. Akbar built Fatehpur Sikri, that is city of victory near Agra, commemorating the emperor's conquest of, like which state he did conquer and build the Fatehpur Sikri? So the answer to this question is Gujarat. In 1573, Akbar conquered Gujarat and built Fatehpur Sikri, as the name says, the city of victory. Now let's move to the next question. Iran and Iraq war started for exclusive possession of. So Iran and Iraq war is also known as the Holy Defense. Here Iraq attacked Iran on 22nd September 1980, and these invasion was for territorial dispute over Salt-e-Arab, the waterway that is the border of the two countries. So the answer to this question is option number C. So now let's move to the next question, that is question number 7. That is, the royal court of Alauddin was graced by the great poet, we all know, the parrot of India, that is Amir Khusro. Now let's move to the next question. As a tribute to Akbar's organizing ability, much remains even today as of his. So historians consider Akbar's administration to be one of the best. So his civil administration is even followed today. So the answer to this question is option number A. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9 says, Temujin was famous historical character of the world, but we know him by a different name. Which one? Okay, Temujin, let me say, Temujin was the emperor of Mongol Empire. He was the founder and the first great Khan. So you can guess the answer, it's Genghis Khan. The other name of Genghis Khan was Temujin. Question number 11 says, Tenali Raman was dash as Akbar was to Birbal. That is, the relationship between Tenali Raman and dash is same as the relationship between Birbal and Akbar. So who was Birbal? Birbal was the Hindu advisory and the Mukhya Senapati, or the main commander of Akbar's time. Similarly, Tenali Raman was the Hindu poet, scholar and a thinker and a special advisor in the time of Sri Krishna Devaraya. So the answer to this question is option number B. So now let's move to the next question. It says, who declared that his ultimate aim was to wipe every tear from every eye? So in his famous speech, that is Freedom at Midnight, Jawaharlal Nehru said Mahatma Gandhi's only mission was to wipe every tear from every eye. So the answer to this question is option number D, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Between which two countries was the Battle of Stalingrad fought in 1942 to 1943? Stalingrad is a city in southern Russia, and the Battle of Stalingrad was fought between Germany and its alliance with Soviet Union. Soviet Union is now called Russia. So the answer to this question is option number A, that is Russia and Germany. So now let's move to the next question. The term Vajrapati used in Hindu mythology denoted, the meaning of Vajrapati is the head of the village. So option number A is the correct answer. Question number 15 says the task of consolidating the Mughal kingdom was left to Akbar, who was only -year-old at the time of his accession to the throne. Like, when did Akbar was given the throne? At what age? So we all know under Bairam Khan, Akbar was given the throne of Mughal emperor when he was only 13 years old, and he was given the throne on 14th Feb 1556. Now let's move to the next question. In 1347, during the reigns of Muhammad Tughlaq, an Afghan officer named Das set up an independent kingdom called Bahmani Kingdom. In short, the question is asking who is the founder of Bahmani Kingdom. So what is Bahmani Kingdom? Bahmani Kingdom is a Persianate Muslim state of Deccan in southern India. So it was founded by Alauddin Bahman Saha, who was also known as Hassan Gangu Bahman. So the answer to this question is option number C. Question number 17, that is barter transaction means. What does barter transaction means? It is goods are exchanged with goods. It's no monetary exchange. I'll get you a basket of fruit, you too get me a basket of a fruit. So that is goods and services are exchanged with goods and services. So the correct answer to this question is option number B. Now let's move to the next question, question number 18. The non-cooperation movement was called off due to, we know non-cooperation movement was founded by Gandhiji and he was a supporter of non-violent, but in an incident in the district of Gorakhpur at a place Chauri Chaura, few mobs set a police station in fire, killing 22 policemen, and this was the reason Gandhiji called off the movement. So the answer to this question is Chauri Chaura incident. This happened in 5th Feb 1922. Option B is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question, question number 19. Who among the following ruler abolished jizya? The correct answer to this question is Akbar. Akbar is the one who abolished jizya. Jizya is a tax system for which the non-Muslim used to pay taxes for their religious preaching. So let's move to the next and the last question. Who was Akbar's famous revenue minister? So we all know the answer is Todarmal. Raja Todarmal, he was the one who introduced the system of Japt and a system of taxation called Dasala, and he was one of the famous revenue minister of Akbar's time. So option C is the correct answer.